Namaste. Once again, welcome to Raghavendra Yoga channel. Today, you are learning selected process for increasing lung capacity. Also, this process prevents respiratory problems. She is Miss Manasa. She has been coming to our class since 5 years. Now, let us see the process. First is hands in and out breathing. Join the palms. Keep your arms in a horizontal position. Inhale and take the arms back and expand the chest. Then exhale and take the arms front and join the palms. Practice 10 times. Each breathing. Rest your palms on the upper part of the thighs. Rise the heels. Balance at the toes. Then exhale. Bring the hands down and rest your heels on the ground. This completes a round. Practice 10 times.